Hey, my pals, Mike the Gardener, and today I'm going to do a fun video for me. I'm always wanted to build a water feature in the center here of my garden to, let the birds get a little bath, and if the squirrels need a sip of water or whatever, and just the nice sound of it. Because I do live in a big city, as you can hear, there's lots of noise, lots of traffic, and so I'm going to use this bucket I got on sale. I'm going to punch holes around the outside rim, and then I can put some wire mesh here over the top to keep the critters out. So, nothing falls in and, drowns, which would be gross. And keeps leaves off of it and stuff. And got some solar lights. I got this stake because what I have here, and I got a mallet. And I got a drill. So I'm drill the holes. And also act as weeping holes. And I'll use zip ties to zip tie the mesh on the top. But what I have here is I was gifted a pond pump, a solar pond pump from a company called POPOSOAP, and I'm really excited to hook it up. So I've got all different kinds of, these are my zip ties here. Got the lining for the pump, or not the line, but the water line for the pump, and I got the different nozzles for the water feature. And this is where they used to have the, this is where they used to put the connection for the solar panel. But I'm going to probably drill a hole through here and then just connect it to the, probably put two holes in here, connect it to the stake, the T-post, so that I can have a nice strong connection for the solar panel. Got extra screws. It's got everything you need. So I'm gonna get to work and get it set up. So I gotta make a spot space in the center here. I might have it off center because I already got my light post here and I want to keep that, but we'll see. These are all just flowers in the center that I just randomly put in grow bags, and they're not doing great. Something about the UV light or something this year where all my brassicas are doing super great, but they are like trying to bolt already, which is crazy. Like my mustard greens are bolting. Got flowers on my squashes, but I haven't seen any bees or pollinators at all, which is a bummer. But things like of course my lemon balm's doing great, but we'll see. So I did put some coffee grounds all around for a little extra nitrogen, see if that makes everything perk up. I mean, I just did the 511 and the fish emulsion not too long ago, and I also did the super juice, so we'll see. Anyway, back to making my pond. I'm gonna get everything set up and I will be back. Alright, so I pounded the T-post into the ground. I connected the I've got the solar panel where I get the most sun. You can see right now it's just kind of, because we're in shade right now, you can see where the sun is. Sun's line's there, but during the day this gets light. That's why my garden is all in the center here, because in the morning the sun rises this way, and so this is all in shade in the early in the day, and then midday I get plenty of sun over here, and then behind me my house creates a shadow, so at 6 o'clock this is all in shade, so I don't get that much sun. So, but this is the best I can do, working with what I got. But yeah, so you can see with just a little bit of even in the shade, it's still kind of sputtering a little bit. I got to adjust, so I'm gonna come out tomorrow when the sun's out. I'm gonna do adjustments on the flow, and I got to trim off the excess wire. Like I said, the wire's there to keep the mice and squirrels and things out of it. I'll cut off the the excess, trim the clips, and I think it'll look great. And then I also got solar lights. I'm gonna probably punch a couple holes on the side here, and then just have them coming up off the sides. so it'll give some interest at night, even though it won't be, like I said, there's no battery or anything to this. It just runs when the sun's out, which is fine by me because I don't want it to run 24/7. Even though it would be nice to have that ambient sound at night, but nope. So it's just gonna be water flowing during the day. Like I said, I'm gonna trim all this off, and I'm gonna finish it up tomorrow. And I might put some like who knows, I might put a couple fake, even though some people hate it. I'm gonna put some fake like pond plants here or something, around the outside, just to give it a little interest. So yeah, pretty pleased with that. It was easy to set up, didn't take long, and I'll be back out tomorrow to wrap it up.